Hello, my name is Brielle. I'm a senior biology major and I have a strong interest in the neuroscience field. As you can see with my poster here, what I did is I created an event that incorporated my secondary education field into the biology field, or the sciences. So what I did is, back in 2009, and it's been recurring in 2010 and again in 2011, just 2 weeks prior, is that I created an event that encouraged high school students to come on campus, onto Westminster College, to learn about the brain. Again, the field of neuroscience, talking about the brain, talking about how we interpret and compute sensory information that we receive from the outside environment, heads to our brain, and we kind of compute and organize that information into something that makes sense to us as humans. So what I did is a lot of different high schools came. Last year in particular, we had over 100 different students come from 3 different high schools. We had Wilmington High School, Newcastle High School, and Mohawk High School. And they all came and they went through different stations. Just a couple stations just to give you an idea of what they did. One station was modeling cerebrospinal fluid, which is the fluid that encases around the outside of your brain. So your brain is kind of like this mushy organ that needs to be protected. So other than your skull, you also have this fluid that protects it as well. So what they did is they had 2 containers. One container had an egg in it with water around the outside, and the other container just had an egg in it. And what they did is they slammed down both containers. The one that had the water in it, the egg didn't break because it was cushioned by that fluid. The other container that did not have the water in it, it obviously broke. So again, it was just reinforcing that simple concept of you have your brain up in your head, but you also have cerebrospinal fluid up there as well. So it just protects that vital organ in the human body. So other than that, we had a whole lot of different stations. The kids had a great time. And me, as an undergraduate here at Westminster, I thought it was great to incorporate my education field in with the biology and neuroscience field.